Do you know how much money you spend each month? Do you actually know, based on your revenue, how much you could be saving? Wouldn't it be great if you could gain transparency and control over your finances once and for all with very little effort? This is what this training is going to help you with. Through this training, you are going to build step by step your personal finance tracker, which I call the Finance Compass. The Finance Compass is a very simple tool that will help you, first of all, to gain clarity on your expenses, that will help you anticipate the invisible costs that you don't anticipate, but that still impact your accounts and your savings. It will provide you a visibility of your bottom line figure. The bottom line figure is this amount of money that you can securely save at the end of each month. And it will help you to project into the future how much money you could be saving for your personal projects and dreams. It will do this in a very simple manner, in an automated way, where you will need to put the minimal amount of efforts and input into it to get the results. So many people, just like you, found that managing their finances was not very appealing. It was tedious, that it requested a lot of efforts and time, working on Excel. It wasn't very attractive and appealing to them. And what they found is that by using the Finance Compass, it made it so easy, automated and repetitive that they could do this quickly with little effort, and they even started to gain joy and excitement from it. Because there's one thing for sure, it's that when you gain clarity and visibility over your finances, when you have this sense of control, that you know exactly what you're doing and how you're tracking against your plans, it gives you tremendous power and a sense of being in control of your destiny. This is what I wish for you, that this Finance Compass helps you to gain control over your life and your future. My goal is that this course is simple and easy. This is why it's going to be a short course, because I want it to be representative of the amount of effort it takes to use the Finance Compass. And remember, at the end of every lesson, after introducing the principles, I'm going to guide you through the Finance Compass, so you will have a chance to see on the screen how I'm using the tool to update it with concrete examples. Using this, you can then update the numbers based on your situation, and after every lesson, you will complete one module of the Finance Tracker. By the end of the training, it will be all ready for you. So what are the chapters? First, I'm going to start by introducing your Finance Compass and making sure that you get your own copy of it. Then I will talk about the power of visibility and transparency. We will then add your personal expenses, move on to your invisible costs, and then switch to your revenue, which will lead us to the bottom line figure. And when we have this, we will get you on track for your monthly review process so that you can use your Finance Compass on a monthly basis forever. This is it. Following those simple steps and through my guidance at the end of every lesson, you will progress towards completing your personal Finance Compass. By the end of this training, you will be all set and your finances will remain in control.